can squeak for the camera. There you go. He's eaten lots already, so much he could be a few ounces heavier already. He was born 4:12 a.m. on a Saturday morning, and yeah, on May 24. And he is 7 pounds 15 ounces after doing a poop. And he's eaten really well already. He's about as long as the girls, almost 20 inches. And his head is just a little bit bigger, 35 centimeters. The girls were 34. And the girls are loving him. They've held him, they're really good at it already. And everything is going well. We're just all so tired. And my throat is so sore from making lots of grunts and groans. And Colleen was here, the midwife. She stayed for 3 hours. She did a fantastic job. She came at 3:45. So she was here about 20 minutes, half an hour before the baby was born. And we have to name him yet. We'll think about that.